Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, and I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we are going to do a quick and in-depth review of Life360 application. So this is basically an application that has a tagline of Life360 tracks you relax, which means that you can actually track your people, your loved ones, and even your stuff using this application. Discover the power of Life360. They claim that this is the #1 solution for making everyday family life better. And if we look at the reviews that are available on their website, people are very much satisfied with these applications. And if we try to dive deeper, you can see that you can actually use it to recover the load stuff and track your loved ones so that you can stay safe on the road, because it actually tracks your speed as well and lets you know if there is a traffic upcoming in the next few kilometers. So they have also 3 plans: the free one, the silver, and the gold one. The gold one is more suitable for the families, and they have 80 million plus people who have reviewed this application. And if you look at this application, it is available in Google Play Store as well, and you can see that 100 million plus people have downloaded this application so far. And apart from this, they also have 4.6 ratings, which is based on 2.1 million reviews, and in my opinion this is a really good ratings. So in conclusion, I would say that you should buy this or purchase the subscription of this application after discussing it with any of your family member. Why I'm saying this? Because you can see that they have a really poor star rating on Trustpilot website, which is also based on 179 reviews. So this is not a less number. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make the reviews of as much products as I can. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.